Welcome to our Degrees of Latitude Healthcare Professional Training Program. The LATITUDE NXT website offers you flexibility and control over how you receive, review, and manage Boston Scientific device and patient data. In this training module, you will learn how to unenroll patients in LATITUDE NXT. Unenrolling patients through LATITUDE NXT is simple. Once you're logged into the LATITUDE NXT site, select the patient you wish to unenroll by clicking on their name. Before proceeding further, please note that unenrolling the patient immediately removes access to the patient records, so it's important you print any follow-up or alert history for this patient prior to unenrolling. You can unenroll patients by going to Edit View Patient and Equipment Information. From here, simply click the Unenroll Patient button. If the patient is unenrolled from the primary clinic, LATITUDE NXT monitoring and data collection will be suspended. The LATITUDE power indicator light and the Call Doctor icon will light yellow on the patient's communicator the next time the communicator dials into the server. If the patient is still enrolled in a secondary clinic, that clinic will see the patient's status as No Primary Clinic. The patient's existing data will still be visible to the secondary clinic, but no new data will be sent until the patient has a primary clinic. Here are a few things to remember about unenrolling patients. Once a patient account is unenrolled, 1. Patient data is no longer accessible by that clinic in the LATITUDE NXT system. 2. The LATITUDE power indicator and the Call Doctor icon on the patient's communicator will light yellow, which may prompt calls to the clinic. 3. The patient's communicator should not be reassigned to another patient. Congratulations! You successfully completed the Degrees of Latitude module on unenrolling patients in LATITUDE NXT. If you still have questions about unenrolling patients after viewing this segment, please refer to the other tools available to you on our website or call our LATITUDE customer support team at 1-800-227-3422. Continue checking our YouTube channel at latitudенxt.com/YouTube for additional Degrees of Latitude training modules.